guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do smudged out winged eyeliner, and if you want to learn from me how I do it, then keep on watching. To begin with, I'll be using the Nykaa Eyem Black Kajal, and I'm using the shade Black Night 001. For anybody who is looking for an affordable kajal and is looking for any smudge proof kajal, then this is one. This is extremely very creamy and doesn't budge at all. Also, I'll be needing a flat shader brush. For flat shader brush today, I'm using this brush from Uroparis. This is a very affordable brush as well as a very good quality brush. If you're looking for a flat shader brush in an affordable range, then go for this particular one. Also, to draw that wing, you'll be needing a angle brush like this. This one is from Morphe. We will first start by waterlining our lower lash line first. Once you have finished waterlining your lower lash line, start by applying a thin layer of kajal beneath your lash line so that it acts as a base for your wing eyeliner. Once you have finished applying kajal to your lower waterline, then using that angled brush, start by pulling out the kajal outwards. Then using the flat shader brush, you start by smudging out the kajal in your lower lash line. Now for eyeliner, start by applying kajal to the inner corner of your eye first. Basically, you want to start applying the kajal with the small stroke. Now the trick here is to keep the kajal as close to your lash line as possible. Let's start by applying kajal. You do not have to be very precise with this application, because however we are going to smudge this out. Now to smudge this out, I'll be using the angle brush which we had used in the beginning. Start by just filling the wing which we drew earlier. Also, I'll be filling in the gaps using the same kajal. You can also pull your skin beneath your eye if you want to have that extra support. Now for the other eye, I'll be doing the same as well. Basically, you start by applying kajal to the inner corner of your eye, keeping it as close to your lash line as possible. And then using a angle brush, you want to just fill in the wing and join the base of the wing to the upper lash line. The only tip I can give you to perfect that wing eyeliner is practice, because with practice you understand how far you want to take your wing out and how much you want the thickness of your kajal beneath your lower lash line to be. So I encourage you guys to practice as much as possible on yourself. Now that we have drew our wing eyeliner, I'll be topping it with some mascara. For mascara today, I'm using L'Oreal Paris Volume Million Lashes. This is extremely very black. I'll also be taking off the excess product by
This is the final look.
all the products that I use today will be linked to you guys in the description box below. And if you like this video, then give it a huge thumbs up and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye!